Hey, what is up, students? I hope you're having a great day. Students, parents, teachers, anybody who cares about kids, but you students, I'm going to teach you in this video how to make your life easier by front loading your Google Calendar. If you use Google Calendar, you can also use other online calendars to front load your calendar. I'm going to show you how I do this with students who don't like calendars, who don't like planners, to make your life easier so you have less stress, more freedom, more fun. Now, in this video, what I'm going to do is show you how to set up your calendar and front load it for the school year with long-term things. So the first thing that I want you to do is get into your Google Calendar or your Google inbox. If you're in your inbox, just go right here or right here. We're going to do it from right here, and we're going to go to calendar. Again, you can also do it from right here with this little button, and you can open it up right there to get into your calendar. But I'm going to do it from right here. We're going to open up Google Calendar because this is how I usually do it, and you can see this is what the month looks like in Google Calendar right now. And the next thing that I want you to do is look up your school district and the word calendar. So the local school district here is BVSD. So whatever your school district's called, and the word calendar. And look here, it says a 2019-2020 PDF. We don't want that. We want 2020-2021. I don't see that here, but I do notice that right here it shows them calendars approved for these school years. So let's see what we can pull up here. Now I happen to know that this school district does two versions. We're just going to look at one version right now, and this version that we see here is the 2020-2021 calendar. That's what I want to see. And if you notice here, it has a code on the bottom, this key that shows you what the whole thing means. But let's say that you're in 10th grade. August 20th is your first day. So August 20th is the first day of school for this school year. So what we're going to do is we are going to go back to the Google Calendar, and we're going to go to August 20th, and we are going to, I have all these examples, forget about those. And let's say we say first day of school, and plop that in there, and boom, it's red. And it's bright, and it's easy to see. Now the next thing that I want to show you, I told you I want you to front load your calendar. And the reason I do this is my students love my middle, high school, and college students who don't like calendars or planners. They love to front load the calendar because it allows them to see when they don't have school, and they are always excited to not have school. So for example, on September 7th, it's Labor Day. So what I'm going to do on September 7th is I'm going to go here. Where is September 7th? Here. And I'm not going to say Labor Day. I'm going to say no school because let's say as a student that is exciting for me. But I know that it's actually a 3-day weekend, and that's kind of exciting to me. So I'm going to say that it starts on September 5th and ends on September 7th here. And check this out. When you save it, it's a nice block. Now that red, I don't want the red for this. I like the red for an alert color, and this is not an alert. I'm off. So maybe I think green because green light means go, and I'm free. I'm off. So now I'm front loading the calendar. I can see that in September I have those days off. Well, do I have any other days off in September? Well, the 21st is green. So what does that mean? If I look here, it says it's a teacher prep and work day, no classes for students. So great. September, I have another 3-day weekend. So I'm going to go here to the 19th, click in there, and I'm going to write again, no school, yo. And maybe I'm going to go hiking or camping with somebody, or go out of town for a weekend or whatever we're doing, hang out with friends, hang out with family, whatever's going on. And I don't want this, I'm showing you a different way to do the color. I'm going to go through here, change the color again. Let's say that I want it blue this time, and boom, look at what we have here. And oh, I didn't do it right. So let me go back in here. I'm going to edit it by clicking edit, and I'm going to change the dates here. So from September 19th, it goes to the 21st. I'm going to save that there. Now when I look at September, it really shows me that I have 2 3-day weekends. I like that. I work very hard during the week on my school stuff. I like to know that I have those 3-day weekends. Come back to the calendar here. We see October 12th is green. We have no school. We have a 3-day weekend here. October 16th is this light blue. This light blue just says the quarter ends. I don't need to put that in my calendar. October 30th is a bright blue. That's end of trimester. I don't really need to know that. November 11th, what's that? It's red. The 11th here is Veterans Day. No school then. And look, Thanksgiving break. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to put in just Thanksgiving break right now, and I'll wrap up this video. So we go to November, and November we have 5 days off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But it gets better. Why? Here's why. This is the first day of Thanksgiving break. I'm just going to write break, no school. And when I click on this and go to when it goes through, which is the 29th, and I save it, it's not just 5 days off. It's 7 here, plus 1, plus 1. It's 9 days off, 9 days of break. So that's really nice to know. And we also know that on this day, the 11th, there's no school because of Veterans Day. So we get to see that. And again, I want to change the color. If I right click on this, maybe I change that one to purple. I right click on this, maybe I change this one to a gray, whatever color I want. But now I can see this. Now what front loading means, students, is that what I want to encourage you to do is sit down with your school calendar and do this for the entire school year, from the first day to the last day. Get everything in your calendar right now that you possibly can. You do it once, takes you a half hour, you're done for the entire school year. Everything will pop up on your calendar and it feels really good to know. Trust me, I'm telling you, my students like this. It takes a little bit to get it going. If you want a friend or a parent who's detail-oriented to help you sift through it, go ahead and do that. I also often have people print these calendars, put them on the fridge, put them on the wherever you study, on the wall. But either way, this calendar is here for you. I hope this was helpful to you. My name is Seth Perler. I'm Executive Function Coach of Colorado, and I help students navigate this thing called education so that they can have a great life. But in particular, I work with students who are not into this stuff and help make life easier with more freedom, more fun, less stress, more success in school, and all of that sort of thing. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, support it, leave a comment below, subscribe on my YouTube channel, share it with someone, and check out my website, SethPerler.com, for freebies. Parents and teachers, there's a lot there for you. Have an amazing day. This is the only day you got right now. Go enjoy it.